Hi everyone, these are some word problems that go with nonlinear systems. So we make a system of equations. We have the difference of two numbers is 2, so I'm going to let x and y be the two numbers. So they say the difference is 2, so I'm going to subtract them. And the sum of their squares is 10. So that just means I'm going to write x squared plus is the sum, y squared equals 10. So I set up my system correctly, and now I'm going to solve for x and y. I'll go ahead and solve for x because that leaves my y positive. So I have y plus 2. And then I substitute. So I'm going to substitute my x right in this x here. So I have y plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 10. I'm going to simplify, so I get y squared plus 4y plus 4 plus y squared. I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 10 from both sides. So you get 2y squared plus 4y minus 6 equals 0. And I'm going to go ahead and factor out the 2, and you get y squared plus 2y minus 3 equals 0. So now we're going to solve by factoring. I'll go ahead and put it over here. So we have 2 times y plus 3 times y minus 1 equals 0. So I set these two equal each other. So I have y equals negative 3 for this piece, and y equals 1 for this piece. So what I'm going to do is just plug in. So two solutions, negative 3 for y or 1 for y, and plug back into my original equation. So if y is negative 3, we have x minus a negative 3 equals 2. And so x plus 3 equals 2. So x equals negative 1. And if y is 1, I have x minus 1 equals 2. So x, if I add 1 to both sides, equals 3. So the two numbers are, if we're solving for these, so basically what you're going to do is break these up. You're going to have, you can either have your two numbers be negative 1 and negative 3. You plug negative 1 and negative 3 in, and I'm putting these. So this would be your x, this would be your y, or your two numbers would be 3 and 1. It just depends on how you want to word it, because this is a solution. But if they just want to know the numbers, then these would be your numbers. This would be your x and y. This would be your x and y. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.